Recognize's announcements feature is very versatile and can be used for various purposes, including but not limited to announcing new programs or campaigns, such as a nomination period or wellness initiative. To turn on the announcements feature as a company admin, you'll go up to the menu in the top right corner of your screen, select Company Admin from the drop-down, and select Settings from the left side menu. You can then navigate to the Announcements section, where you'll see two settings. The first is to enable announcements on the stream page, which means that announcements will be able to post on the right side of your stream page for your users. And the second is to allow comments on announcements. This will give you an option for each individual announcement on whether or not you would allow comments for that particular announcement. There are two ways to create a new announcement for the stream page. If we navigate back to the stream page, you will see on the right-hand side there is a pencil icon that will be visible for company admins. Company admins can then jump straight to the announcements page and post a new announcement. When you're happy with your message here, you'll want to choose whether or not you want this to be visible right away on the stream page. You may want to keep it in draft form, for instance, if you're not ready to announce your event or campaign. You'll also want to choose whether or not to enable comments for this specific announcement on the stream page. When you're happy with your announcement, you'll select the Create Announcement button at the bottom. This will create a new announcement and add it to your overview page in the Announcements tab. From here, you'll be able to view that announcement, edit the announcement, and even notify staff of the announcement, which will send that same message via email or SMS. If you only want to notify staff, you can select the Notify button up in the top right-hand corner, which will allow you to send an email or an SMS out to specific audiences. You can choose your recipients. That could be everyone, pending users, by role, by status, or by team. You'll also want to make sure to insert a subject line for your email that is descriptive and a message body for your email as well. You have some choices here also for dynamic content if you would like to add any of that. If you'd like to send an SMS message to your users, you can toggle the box on in the right-hand corner. This will allow you to type in a message there. Just make sure you have phone numbers in the system so that your message can be sent. Once you're ready, you'll hit Create Announcement, and that will then send that message out as a notification to your users. You can view the status of that notification on the Overview page in the Announcements tab. You can also see what type of notification that was in the table. If you need to pull a report for announcements, you can do so as well here on the Overview page. You'll select your date range. You can also modify what shows up in the table by selecting the three lines to the left above the table. Once you're happy with the data that's showing up, you'll just select which method of export you'd like. That will then be sent straight to your computer.